Hey Ben, my name is Paul. I had a member of my team reach out to you guys earlier today, I believe, or yesterday. Harrison, I believe he talked to Renee about a free video that I was going to make to show you guys some tips on how to improve your online presence. And this would be that video here. I'm going to go over 3 key elements, and that's going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into it. I have your site pulled up right here. It's a really nice looking, looks like a one-page site. I'm not sure if this is a full site or maybe it's just a landing page. You don't have any other pages, it looks like, attached to it, but you do have a lot of good information right here. You got crystal clear pictures. You got a click to call button right here. So when somebody comes into your website, they know exactly what you do. So you're sending a clear message of what it is you do, which is always good. And as you go down, it looks like you have some specials. You have a form to fill out so they can get a hold of you. So it's besides the fact that it's basically one page, it's well put together. The one thing I will say, I'm going to talk about content on this. Content is a big key player in ranking factors on Google, right? So basically, by content, I mean all the text on your website. So Google likes content. They love content. Content helps drive you to the top if you have the right content on your pages. So Google is going to go ahead and crawl your website, go through all that text, and they're going to look for keywords. So keywords are going to be anything that somebody's going to put into the Google search looking for a specific product or a service. In your case, it would be air duct cleaning, and then maybe an area following that. So the more keywords that are specific to your area and the areas that you also serve, and the services that you offer, the better it's going to be for you guys. Google is going to see that, and they're going to crawl all that when they go through your site, and it's going to tell Google that you are in fact a professional in your field, and it's also going to help you guys be found for more searches as people search these keywords in Google, and it's going to help you guys show up on that front page, right? So 1,500 words is the standard that I would go with. That gives Google plenty of words to go through. It gives you plenty of opportunities to drop in some keywords in there, and it's going to help you guys get on that front page of the search results. So speaking of search results, I am going to look at a search real quick. I did duct cleaning in Tampa. So that would be an example of keyword, maybe an area. I know you guys are out of Brandon. I know Tampa is near Brandon. So another thing there would be, the service area, right? So you could definitely put keywords in your content, showing what areas you serve, and you can be found for people looking in those areas more. So the search results, the first thing you're going to see pop up here are ads. Ads are a great way to get some customers. There are a lot of ways to get in front of customers' eyes. Ads is definitely a good way to do that. If you get a good ad campaign running, you can definitely get some good results from that. Next, here you're going to see the map pack. This is the top 3 map of the Google map pack. This is a great place to be. You definitely want to be in this top 3 right here. The reason being is most of the time, this right here makes up 30% of these businesses, customers. 35% of the people that come and they search for this, they're going to look in this map pack right here, and they're going to go with one of these 3 guys. Usually it's the one up top, but some people, they'll scroll through a little bit and look at some stuff, but usually they don't go past this, and you can definitely get a lot of a big chunk of clients from that. So getting into that map pack, you are going to want to have your Google business profile filled out as much as possible. Your business name, phone number, address, all of the areas you serve, all that stuff. And you're going to put that into online directories. Online directories are going to be anything like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, anything like that you can put your business information into and, onto an online directory. And that's going to give you citations. So the more citations that you have, the better it's going to be. And the better chances it is of you getting in this top 3. Basically, you want to outdo your competition in citations. The more you have, the more chances it is you're going to outbeat this guy, right? So next, moving on from there, is your organic search results. We have these Ducks of Tampa Bay right here. If we just take a look at their site real quick, it's a nice site as well. They have a bit more info, so they're going to be able to put more content throughout their website, and they are going to be found for more of their pages as well. Got some good pictures. They have a little bit of content, it looks like. So if you were already to put 1,500 words of content on your front page, you would already be outbeating people like this, right? So if we go and take a look at a tool that I use called Ahrefs, it's going to show me all the information on a website, how many keywords you're being shown for, how many referring domains you have, backlinks, and so on and so forth. Basically, it just tells me how a website is performing. So I have you guys put in here. We're going to focus on this section right here. This UR and DR is basically a trust and a power rating in Google's eyes from your website. So the UR is going to be a trust rating, how trustworthy Google sees your website. And DR is going to be the power rating, how powerful your website is. You have 128 backlinks coming from 39 referring domains, and you are being found for 107 keywords. So the goal here is to get this UR and DR up. You want to keep those numbers in close ratio to each other and move them up as high as possible, right? That has a lot to do with your backlinks and your referring domains. So backlink is going to be anything linking back to your website from another site, or maybe a comment blog or something like that. So basically, let's say another website has writing a comment blog and somebody leaves a comment saying, hey, you guys are, Flo Cleaning is great. Check them out. Here's a link. Bam. If they click on it, it goes right back to your website. That is a backlink. So you want to get quality backlinks. You don't want to skimp out on that. That's definitely a key factor. Because if you get backlinks coming from stuff that, are spam, and then you're getting spammy backlinks, Google is going to flag that, and that's going to hurt your DR and UR rating, right? So quality backlinks coming from strong, powerful referring domains that have to do with your area of service, so duct cleaning, anything that has to do with any kind of that service, those are the backlinks you want to get. Keywords, like I said, you want to get more keywords in your content. If we take a look real quick at these other guys, I ran them through as well. They have a little bit better UR and DR. See how they're a little closer ratio with each other. They are being found for 131 keywords. They have 118 referring domains, giving them 573 backlinks. They're getting a little more traffic to their website. Again, they don't have a whole bunch of content, though, on their page. So to reiterate, I'm going to say, content is king when it comes to the Google search results. So basically, you want to have 1,500 words on your front page of your website, right? And you want to get some nice keywords in there and sprinkle that throughout your content. So when Google crawls it, they can find those keywords and it'll help bump you up on those Google search results. You want to get your Google business profile filled out as much as possible, get it into some online directories, get some citations, try and get more than your competition. And then you want to get quality backlinks from powerful referring domains. So when all three of those things are clicking together, you're definitely going to start seeing results from that. You're going to see your website start to show up on more search results at the top of the Google search results, of the organic search results. You're going to see your Google business profile start to show up in that top 3 map pack. You're going to get, more phone calls, obviously, because you're going to be in front of more eyes. And it's just going to help your business out a lot more. So with that being said, I am going to leave, I'm going to leave you with this. I hope this video was helpful for you. I am going to leave my contact information in the email that I send you, so feel free to reach out for me or to me, especially if you're looking for more information on all of this, on how to improve your website ranking, get more clients. Again, I thank you for taking the time to check out this video, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.